Next is ellipse. Same, you can try all of those comments, so I'm gonna just try with one of those. From center, select this, and I'm just trying one ellipse from the center. So pick one point and find your end of the first axis. From here, and then it asks you the end of second axis. You should be able to find that, and or even you can give it a number that you want to have for first axis and second axis as well to create your ellipse. So again, here you have arc, and select on that, and you see here you have different type of the arcs that you can draw, and rectangle, same, and polygon. You can draw the polygons as well. I'm gonna try with the curve, and first with center start angle, so I'm gonna just try this one. As you click on curve, you see it says in center of arc, so I'm drawing this arc from the center, right? So pick the start and start of arc, and then select the second one and select the second point, and then you'll see if you the ortho is on, right? So let me just show you. If the ortho is on, you'll see something like this, right? And then you can click on where you wanna end to draw this arc. But I'm gonna go back and draw another curve, another arc. So with ortho off, so select, pick one point, start of your arc, and then the second one. So, and as you see, you are able to draw your arc with the angle as well. You can also give it the angle here, so you can type, for example, 20. So as you see, I drew one curve with an angle of 20 degrees in here. If you don't want to select the tools from the toolbars, you can simply type the comments. For example, I'm gonna draw one rectangle, right? So I'm going to type a rectangle, and if you click on that comment line, so if you type R, you see rectangle, it pop up, right? So I'm gonna select and hit enter rectangle, and start drawing a rectangle. Start from one corner, and then drag this rectangle and find another corner, right? So if you wanna like give it a dimension, like for example, you wanna make one rectangle 20 by 40, right? So I'm gonna select a rectangle and then hit find point, one point, and then type D on comments, right? And then give it the number, like for example 20, right? And hit enter, right? As you see, you have width, right? I give it the 20 for width, and now I have to give it the length, right? So for example, on here I'm gonna have like 40, and now you see I drew one rectangle 20 by 40 in here as well. Let's go back, let's go to a polygon. So as you see here, you have polygons and you have a square. What's the difference between those? So I'm gonna start with making a polygon. If you select that, and you'll see it says center of inscribed polygon, I'm gonna start with that, right? And as you see, you have 7 sides of this polygon, right? And as you see here, number side is 7. You are able to change this the number of these sides. For example, I'm gonna draw one polygon like with 5 sides. So I'm gonna select 5 and hit enter. So and that's all, right? So and then I'm going to select this, and I have one polygon with 5 sides. And same, you can also try and make one polygon with 6 or 7 sides. It's the same. But if you click on that, and you'll see you have a square as well. I'm going to show you how this works. So select one a square, and then find your point from the center, and it says corner of polygon, but it shows as a square, right? So in here you're able, like if you want to have like one square, that's fine, but if you want to have like this square as a polygon, you can change this from here. Select number of sides to from 4 to, for example, 8, and hit enter, and you'll see you have one polygon with 8 sides.